97% of our DNA is the same as the orangutans. They laugh, recognize themselves in a mirror, and feel the pain of loss. They are, in many ways, the reflection of our own humanity. Here at Taman Safari Indonesia, that reflection is cared for every single day. A place where compassion meets science, and every heartbeat matters. For the caregivers here, every morning begins with a familiar sound. Gentle calls, soft rustles, and the curious gaze of young orangutans. They are not separated from their families forever. They are here to heal, to grow, and to learn, until they are ready to return home.
Among those who dedicate their lives to this work is Ms. Sri Suwani, an animal caregiver who has spent years nurturing and protecting these orangutans.
Sebetulnya sih sama kayak bayi manusia pada umumnya, karena secara DNA mereka kan juga sama kayak kita. Jadi mulai dari grooming, membersihkan badannya, kemudian menyusui, jelas itu menyusui, kemudian kita observasi perilaku dia, kemudian kita juga harus observasi di mana aktivitas dia, perilaku dia, feses dia, terus kemudian nafsu makan dia, sama sih seperti kayak bayi manusia.
Each orangutan has their own story. Some are here because their mothers need time to recover. Others because their family group is being closely monitored. All are under the watchful eyes of caregivers, people who dedicate their lives to these remarkable beings.
Jadi Taman Safari sebagai pusat konservasi, tentunya kita berharap bahwa semua satwa yang berkembang biak di Taman Safari itu dirawat oleh induk. Bagaimanapun juga ASI adalah nutrisi terbaik buat bayi. Ini adalah upaya kami sebagai lembaga konservasi untuk penyelamatan terakhir terhadap anak satwa yang tidak dirawat induk ataupun ada problem dengan anak itu sendiri.
They prepare formula milk with measured precision, monitor temperature and humidity, and ensure every little one receives the right care at the right time. For these caregivers, it's not just a job, it's a calling. Among the young orangutans under care are Dinda and Evelyn. Dinda is strong and curious, though her journey began with an accident. Her mother, in a moment of instinctive protection, accidentally sat on her tiny leg. The injury was painful, but not permanent. With daily therapy and gentle guidance, Dinda is learning to move, climb, and play again.
Yang terjadi pada Dinda dan Evelyn adalah untuk Dinda, induknya sayang, tapi menjelang umur 15 hari, induknya secara tidak sengaja menduduki kaki yang sebelah kanan sehingga mengalami pembengkakan, dan itu kan perlu treatment yang berkesinambungan untuk agar kaki itu tidak bengkak.
Then there's Evelyn, quiet, observant, and full of wonder. Her mother struggled to nurse her, so the caregivers stepped in to help. Now Evelyn drinks eagerly from her bottle, and her bright eyes follow every movement, as if soaking in the world around her.
Kalau untuk Evelyn itu karena induknya sama sekali plasentanya tidak dipotong, kemudian cara bawa bayinya juga tidak benar. Jadi Evelyn dulu sempat cara bawanya itu kepalanya di bawah, sehingga pas datang ke nursery itu kondisinya ada memar di bagian dada, kemudian plasenta tidak dipotong, badannya tidak dibersihkan, jadi masih penuh lendir, kemudian kondisinya juga hipotermi, jadi karena induknya sama sekali tidak membersihkan, setelah proses kelahiran itu tidak dibersihkan.
Every morning, the orangutan infants join what the caregivers call preschool. It's not a classroom with books and pencils, but one filled with trees, ropes, and sunlight. Here they learn to climb, to swing from branch to branch, and to recognize the textures and scents of the forest. every skill matters because every lesson prepares them for life back with their families.
Sebetulnya preschool untuk orang utan itu melatih kemandirian mereka untuk belajar bertahan, karena mereka harus mulai belajar untuk memanjat, kemudian belajar untuk bergelantungan, kemudian belajar juga untuk bersosialisasi dengan orang utan yang lainnya.
At preschool, play is learning, falling is progress, and every giggle echoes the rhythm of the wild. Behind every healthy orangutan is a team that works tirelessly, the animal caregivers. They monitor health, behavior, and nutrition. They observe from a distance when the young ones begin to explore on their own, allowing instincts to take over naturally.
Sebetulnya kalau seperti yang saya bilang bahwa DNA mereka kan 97% ya mirip dengan kita. Jadi mereka punya perasaan, punya emosi, punya rasa marah, punya rasa saling melindungi, punya rasa saling berbagi, sebetulnya sama. Jadi kalau misalnya seperti Dinda dan Evelyn, misalnya ini ada rasa kayak semacam jealous pada saat saya gendong Dinda, Evelyn juga merasa seperti, aduh saya kok nggak diperhatiin ya, akhirnya dia pasti mendekat ke saya juga.
When the time comes for reunion, caregivers step back with quiet pride, knowing they have done their part. Conservation is not only about population numbers or data sheets. It's about relationships between humans and nature, between science and empathy. At Taman Safari Indonesia, every orangutan is given a second chance to thrive, not apart from their family, but because of it. 97% of our DNA is the same as theirs. But perhaps the most beautiful similarity is our shared capacity to love and to care. Because in caring for them, we are reminded of who we truly are and what it means to protect life in all its gentle wild forms.